Good morning, good afternoon, everybody. Um, this will be a series of videos, and in this one, we are going to install Maven. Why? Because I'm going to try to tackle these training algorithms by Kevin Wayne and Robert Sedgwick in Coursera, for free, which is amazing. And it is recommended for you to install the IntelliJ IDE, some student special version they have prepared, and some tools. But still, if for some known reason you want to use Maven or any other editor, or maybe in another video we're going to update some of the tools, one of the tools, then you can see this video to see if they help you. So we are looking for Maven. We click here. You can do this very quickly, but I'm taking my time to actually explain what's happening. I'm not rushing over here, so I'm not rushing. Yeah, rushing. And Maven, we close this tag. Now you know this tool. Let's click on download. Let's copy this binary distribution. Okay, now let's open Debian, and again I'm looking downside because my keyboard is below the laptop with a webcam, and yet to fix this setup to find a more ergonomic configuration. And yeah, when I'm not recording like this, there is an external monitor and nothing wrong. I'm doing like everybody else. When I am recording these videos, I need to take a look at downside here, and I think it's downloading. Then we need to move the file to the OPT. I'm using the OPT. You can use whatever you want, any other directory. I'm moving this file. Now the password again. Okay, my password. That's it. Let's change directories. And let's extract the content of the Apache Maven. Okay, you can achieve with that with tab. I'm not using the B flag because I don't want to see the contents, just extract them. Enter. Now let's say, okay. Now I'm going to remove the tar file. Now we need to update. Okay, it's recording. We need to update. We need to set up the environment variable for M2 home. It is recommended. Some systems or software uses this variable. if you are in the future downloading Tomcat, you will need this variable. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, let us go over here and okay, home. We are like where this I didn't copy paste the directory, so to fix that, you know, this is the one you want to bring over here. Let's paste it. Okay. Now export that variable. Export. And now append that variable over here. M2 home bin. This bin is where the commands or tools are actually installed, and this is the home. Now we can we need to update. We need to, in my case, I am going to add an alias for MVN. Over here, alias MVN. Again, we were in insert mode. Maven bin MVN. Okay. Now you can source this file, but instead I am like opening a new terminal and see how the thing went. How did it go? Okay, we are on Apache Maven and it's running on Java 21, which I forgot to tell you is a prerequisite to install Maven. You can install Maven actually without Java. If you are going to use Maven, you need Java needs to be installed. That will be for me for this time. Thank you very much. Again, this will be a series of videos, like hopefully 2. We will see. Thank you very much and have a good one. Bye.